Okay, sekejap tak ada orang lagi ni. Okay, hi everyone. Okay guys, give me 3 minutes. I will start soon. There's some technical issue just now because we did a live video previously, but somehow it stopped by Facebook, and then we have to do it again. So just give me 3 minutes to to set things up again, and then we'll start in 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, hi and Assalamualaikum to everyone who are with me today for SITEC e-commerce class live streaming. Okay, my name is Salman and I am the e-commerce program manager at SITEC. And for today's live streaming session, we are going to talk about the topic of EC202, Customer Relationship Management. This topic is actually under our SITEC module number 2, which is e-commerce process. So, and for your information, this e-commerce live program is brought to you by Selangor State Government and also SITEC, of course. Okay, but before I introduce to you our speakers, if you guys are here with me now watching this live streaming, you can comment on our Facebook session just to check, just to make sure that you guys are with me this morning. Okay? So, you can say good morning, you can say hi, anything. Okay? So, okay, all right. For those who just joined our live streaming session this morning, I need your help to share this live streaming on your Facebook page, so that your friends and family or followers can benefit from this live streaming session. Okay, and today we have actually a special Raya gift to our lucky viewers. It is RM 30 ringgit Shopee voucher. Can we pop up the voucher? Yes. So we will have this voucher to give away. I think we have about 10 vouchers from Shopee to give away to our audience today, to viewers. So what you need to do is you just need to share this live streaming, and then we will select the winners towards the end of the session. Okay, interesting, right? So don't forget to share. Now, you can share now. You can just click share, or you can host a watch party with your friends or on your Facebook page. Okay? And so today we have an interesting topic to share with everyone this morning, which is customer relationship management. And with me this morning, we have Mr. Kahing from he is a co-founder of Midcore.Asia, Malaysia and Singapore. And then we have Mr. Venu Mohan, Senior Partner Sales Engineer of Freshwork. Can we invite both of them to the screen so that they can say hi first? Hello, Kahing. Kahing, your mic is mute. Can you unmute your mic?
Hi Salman.
Hi, Venu. How are you? Good morning.
Very good morning. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Okay. So Kahing, your mic. So you have to unmute it. Your mic, Kahing. You have to unmute your mic first. Okay. Give me a second. All right. Okay. Let me. I need to inform Kahing that his mic is off. So yeah. So how is everyone doing? So we are, I think, about 5 days away from Raya.
Hi, I can. Yeah, sorry, just now I'm mute.
Okay, yes. So Kahing is now with us. Okay, so let's start with Mr. Kahing first. Can you tell us about yourself and also your company? What do you do? And okay, go ahead.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say salam puasa to all the Muslim friends and viewer here. And thank you, SITEC, for the opportunity to share. And this is the second time I share in SITEC. Yeah, so EcoAsia is a company. We are a full stack digital marketing company that we help clients build their e-commerce store, and we even help them to build onboard them from digital, from online to offline and offline to online. So what we do is we are a Shopify expert. So we build e-commerce store with the UI UX, and from there we build them a sales funnel. We do performance marketing for them to ensure that traffic's onto their store. So we help retails, brands, and SME as well, from Malaysia and Singapore to onboard them onto e-commerce. So myself, my skill is more on a business consultant and analytic. And what my role is, I more on consult on customer and build some solution for them, integration, e-commerce onto offline, and so on and so forth. So hope that today a little sharing will help everyone here.
Okay, thank you, Kahing, for a little bit of background about him and also his company. What about Venu? Venu, can you share with us a little bit about you and also about Freshwork? How? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Salman, for inviting me for the speech, and I'm very glad to be part of this session. And as a topic it's familiar topic to me for customer relationship management, because I'm being part of this product for more than 5 years from different companies. And myself, Venu Mohan, I'm working as a senior partner sales engineer as part of Freshworks. And in order to give a quick introduction about Freshworks, so Freshworks is a SaaS-based solution organization, and we are a multi-product company organization. So we started with a one product in the year of 2010, and within a decade, it's close to 1 decade now, we have close to have 12 products now in the organization, and all our products are integrated to one another. And we have products similar for Fresh Desk, it's a ticketing tool, and followed by we have CRM solution, which is called Fresh Sales. And similarly, we have Fresh Service for ITSM service for internal organization. And similarly, there are other products too. And the customer relationship product is pretty much, it's like a sales 360, and it can enhance the productivity of sales team, and also it reduce the manual intervention of sales team. So that is the key benefit we offer as part of customer relationship tool. And all other products of Freshworks can be easily integrated with CRM solution, and that helps the sales agent to access multiple tools in one solution. So that is the best part we offer as part of the product. So this is the introduction about, yes.
Right. Okay. So guys, so today we have two speakers, Mr. Kahing Hi, Mr. Kahing.
Hi,
And
hi,
also
hi.
Mr. Venu. Hi. So Mr. Kahing will be the first speaker for today, and then followed by Mr. Venu. So now we will start our session. I'm gonna remove Mr. Venu first from the screen. So I'll see you later at I think around 11:45. Okay,
Oh,
Venu,
sure.
you can prepare your
Sure.
slide first and everything. Okay,
All
so
right,
let's start
sure.
with Kahing first. Okay, but before we start our topic today, customer relationship management, I would like to welcome all our viewers to SITEC live streaming. Thank you for your support. Please share this e-commerce class live streaming on your Facebook page so that your friends, family, followers can benefit from this session. Okay, and don't forget, and today we have a special Hari Raya gift to our lucky viewers. We are giving RM 30 ringgit Shopee voucher. Can we flash? Yes. If you look on the top of the screen on the right side, you can see there's a voucher, 30 ringgit voucher. So how to win this voucher is you just share this live streaming session on your Facebook page, and then we will select the winners, 10 winners towards the end of the session. Okay, so we have one comment. Erika said yes. She already shared, so maybe she is one of the winner. Okay, if we look at the topic today, we are talking about customer relationship management. So, guys, so relationship management is a practice of collecting data about your customers and using it to improve relationships with them. It can cover potential, current, former customers. Okay, so the goal of CRM is actually to get better results from every customer interaction. But does CRM matter in e-commerce? But does it apply to e-commerce? Can it really boost your profits from your online store? So for e-commerce business, turning a visitor into a loyal customer generates over 500% more revenue than getting a new visitor to your site or product listing. So you can spend like 4 times as much as CRM on advertising and still see better return of investment. Okay, that's why today I'm bringing 2 experts from the e-commerce world to share with everyone about this topic, customer relationship management, and how you can apply it in your business. Okay, right. Without further ado, now I'm gonna invite Kahing back to the screen, and also, Kahing, you can start right away. Okay. All the
Okay,
best.
thank you, sure. So, good morning, everyone. Yeah, my name is Kaheng. I have explained a little bit about myself. So, let me start my presentation on a CRM. So, as what Salma has explained about CRM, customer relationship management, does it help onto e-commerce? Is a good question, because most of the time what we do is, we will think that CRM is something for the more corporate or industry. It's just like I want to do some sales lead and sales management on my customer data, so I have a database of my customers, so I can sort them out, so I can find them back, things like that. So are they related to e-commerce? To me, the question will be answered as such that, yeah, it is important. You know why? Because from the statistic, more than 70% of e-commerce in the global is actually B2B. So how to get your brand into B2B? I know right now you are maybe on B2C, but do you know that with your online presence, with the traffic that you drew, you could get a lot of traction into a smaller business, some reseller, some micro seller, some influencer may like to sell your products, things like that. This leads, you should channel it into segment them into a CRM, and it could pass to a dedicated sales team to run this sales channel of B2B. So that is why CRM is important in e-commerce. But how many of us heard about e-commerce with CRM? So today my topics will be, my presentation will be more onto focusing on hands-on, how a good software of modern CRM will work with e-commerce and to marketing automation. So my focus is on a total complete integration between a part of CRM onto email marketing, onto SMS, and onto your marketing automation, build based on the traffic or the interaction of your customer on the web. So a bit complex, but it's okay. I will show you step by step how this thing is actually happen at the back end of the real big retail company, how they do it. Yeah. So, okay, let's start. So a simple introduction of who is Miko Asia. So again, we are actually helping a retailer and brands to build their future retail. What we believe the future retail here, which is our belief, will be surrounding an omni-channel of sales channel and omni-channel of marketing channels. For example, you can sell on Facebook, you can sell on your online store, and you can sell in marketplace like Amazon in Malaysia. We have Shopee, Lazada, and so on and so forth. But other than that, you can have your brand.com, and you can even sell via email. So this is all the channel that we believe the future retail of any brand, you know, small or big, you should be there. Especially during this season of COVID, you know that everyone is talking about, there are a lot of online experts, you know, business experts is talking about that, yeah, the COVID has accelerated the speed of digitalize your business, not only digitalize and also put your business online for a transaction to getting deals on the e-commerce. So the future retail will sit on this part. We are guiding even before COVID, our company is already 5 years here helping retail and brands, and we are actually running a small community called Shopify Merchant Community Malaysia on the Facebook. We have a group of about 1,000 sellers on Shopify. So what we do is, yeah, we try to educate them and give them advice. Yeah, most of time it's a quick free advice that you can join the group Shopify Merchant Community Malaysia to know more about what we do to help this retailer and merchant and SME. No matter what you do, as long as your product is transactable online, yeah, you can join us on this Facebook group. Okay, why CRM, customer relationship management? This could be like a very, a very classic words, you know, on a classic solution. You think about enterprise, you will think something like, oops, yeah, this is not related to me. It could be for corporate, but let's have a look what does exactly a modern CRM works. So right now, where is your customer? Most of time, because due to the time is shifting, you know, where the generation is getting different from your consumer generation is getting different from different. From the 70s to the 80s to the 90s and to the millennials. So without you knowing, the consumer, the spending power is gradually changing. But are you changed? Are your business changed? If you don't change onto capturing where your consumer is, then that is quite difficult for your business to survive for the next 10 years or 20 years. So right now, your consumer is on digital, most of them, you know, with all the data, you can see all the insights from Google, from Facebook. Yeah, SITEC run a good classes on e-commerce. They give you a lot of speakers with all the insight. You'll know that with the consumer right now in the internet, yeah, where are you? So you are getting busier, you know, because your customer have choice now. Last time, you can open a shop, yeah, dedicated selling, yeah, products at a certain township. Then you wait for people to come queue up on your store or things like that. Let's say you are F&B. But right now, your competition is huge. Because why? It's just like cooking or baking. You can make cakes, you know, last time. But you want to learn cooking is very difficult. But right now, I also can cook. I also can bake. I also can sell if I wanted to. Am I right? Yeah, I think most of you agree with me that during the COVID, so many bakers suddenly coming up. I know, I just got a news, saw a news 2 days ago that a young boy, I think is a Chinese boy, he can run a class on, become a junior chef, teaching classes on YouTube, things like that happen, you know. So the competition is there. Your consumer have a lot of choices right now. Same like us, even our business, we're running onboarding people onto digital, you know, doing all this stuff. yeah, people can learn online this and that. Then the competition is there. So how would you get onto your customers? What your customer want? Do you know that? So this is what your customer want right now. They want your attention. Those business that capture their customer well, reward their customer well, have a personal service to their customer. Customer will be loyal to them, you know, and you're solving their problem. They want you to solve, to listen. Example, you buy online, you know, what would you compare? You just compare the price, yes, but after that, I might try. I myself, you know, I buy in Watson. Sorry, I shouldn't name the brand. I buy in a store, then I will test it out. I can test few of their competitors. What is their service? How is their delivery? Things like that. Then if one day after I tested out and I feel that, yeah, this guy only deliver me after 30 days, you know, due to certain stuff, or they not willing to exchange, or their delivery keep sending the wrong stuff, or ungenuine stuff, you know, I will drop them. I will go to the other guy. So they want you to service them. I as a consumer, I want people to serve me, you know, regardless of your brands. But if you serve me well, I will come back again. So what your customer is they want your attention, they want your love. Yeah, maybe. Okay, but you know what? That will make us, the entrepreneur, even your teammate, your customer service, tired. You know why? Because you have to focus on your replying your social media messages or to your customer direct message. If you don't message them, you don't reply them, they will give you a nasty review. Things like that happen, right? So, or maybe we among ourselves, we also sometimes doing that, give a bad review to somebody that didn't serve us well. But again, because the drastic changes on the scene of digital consumer, and then right now work from home, stuff like this, people are more online, you know. So the business may not able to capture quickly the customer and serve them best, you know. So people, we cannot just because of that employ 10 customer service, you know. But yeah, where is our profit? Where is, yeah, how are we? We are uncertain with the future, next 3 months, how was the traffic again, you know. So it will make us tired. So as an entrepreneur, you will be tired just handling all the customer. That's why, yeah, we are worried about you, you know. What we do, we should automate stuff. And how does the modern CRM will help? Okay, so, and right now let me explain a bit how CRM evolved. So before that, CRM in the 90s and 2000s years, you know, is something like, yeah, they will help you finding customer, and then they serve as sorting the customers, a tool that help you to sort, to have a history data of customer. And then, of course, if you are hardworking enough or you are disciplined enough, you will enhance your customer experience with that. You know, you will dig back, take back all the data and then call one by one or things like that. And of course, some B2B business, they will use this as a dealer management or lead management to monitor their sales team, you know, whether they are really calling the customer. So that's the purpose of CRM in the 90s. In the 90s, it will look something like this, or even right now, there are some software that they are still looking like this. Of course, they will enhance with more things. You see, in this slide here, you can even see facts. Yeah, okay. So this is in the old-fashioned, in a window-based software where you will be installed in your in your office, in a local server, in a hard, a big CPU, things like that. And yeah, this is all how the CRM, conventional CRM looks like. You can actually do some certain tasks here, sorting them out and so on and so forth. But that is, for us right now, is very basic. So what's wrong with the CRM in the past? So firstly, there is no sales and marketing alignment. The CRM will just serve as a database to control, to monitor your customers, or or the most to monitor your sales team performance. And it is, at the time, it is a very expensive tools that you need to buy a whole software, and then they will charge you per user, things like that. And you may need a license key, or you need to upgrade them time to time, and so on and so forth. Because when the operating system is updated, yeah, the CRM need to be updated. And then secondly, the problem with them is with the software is involved very human, and especially on the discipline. I mean, I still remember when I come to work in a corporate a listed company in Malaysia. So it's a sales entity. So what we do is, yeah, we have a very good CRM with SAP, but eventually the module, we just let it be there, you know. After a while training, you know, when they launch the package of the whole enterprise solution, then yeah, we will go training, blah, blah, blah. Then at the end of the day, those modules which we feel is lazy to follow up with, then we will just drop the module. Part of it is CRM. We won't use that. We rather using a pencil or a phone at that moment, a Nokia phone address book, yeah, to keep my customer with a tag of customer, company name, and their name, and things like that. So yeah, we will go into more manual and go back to the Excel. You know, people like Excel to manage their customers. So this will be happen if, yeah, the CRM doesn't involve. And of course, the technology is advancing daily. We will have something new, and we want to show you something that the actual world, what they use on the CRM together with marketing automation. So good news. And we want to share you some the modern software that market and brands are using. Example, this is few example that I received myself as a consumer on the email, you know. Yeah, Citibank send me this stuff. Yeah, maybe I click on it or things like that. There was some agent who call me, hi, you want to buy a house, for example. Let's say I click on the particular stuff. So that is where email translate. I mean, an email will be translated into a CRM deal, because the agent will call me. How they know? Because I click on certain thing on the email. And also, like Apple is the same. Yeah, when you click on this, they might push you another ads and the Facebook, you know, things like that. And this is just on the email, not talking about on the website. And same to Zalora and so on and so forth, the marketplace especially. So today I want to share you what is the scene at the back end, how this thing happen. As a small SME, regardless your size is, you are going big, you know, but you have to adapt into technology, because technology is the where we're bringing the brands and retails or any business to further to leap over, yeah, another size. So I just put an example. This is CRM and marketing automation. We want to blend this stuff in, and let us name this the modern CRM. So how does this look like? Okay, like now, if any one of you in the audience side, if you have something e-commerce automation, then you are in a very good shape, because at least I think you are one of the top 10 or 20% of e-commerce merchants that have marketing automation. It's not relying of your online platform to manage for you, but you have external software or external apps, online apps that help you manage the marketing automation. For example, here, so we have this is a marketing automation at the back scene of an e-commerce store. Let's say this is a Shopify store that you have abandoned cart. Then we will do something, wait for 1 hour, then send email, then wait for 1 day, then we send another email, and then wait another day, then we send a third email, to make sure at least you see 3 times, you know, so that you believe in my brand. You see me 3 times means I'm in the market. Of course, some it might turn up like, yeah, I feel that you are too long-winded, we call in Chinese. It's like, yeah, you are like spamming me. But eventually there are some study mentioned that if you have, we call this abandoned cart series automation. So if the customer see you 3 times or more than that on the email, and other than that will be on your website and or maybe on your ads. Brand need about 20 times presence of your brand inside a new customer, only they will buy, transact on you. So with the automation like this, you are actually doing very good. So today I want to share you a plan of CRM and e-commerce. Okay, if you have just e-commerce, so this lady represents CRM, just now. Okay, so you have a conventional CRM. You may just have the detail of the customer. You can get them segment them into their group and things like that. But this is just a CRM, and then pass the data to your sales team to do some sales, and then maybe the good one you get you some lead score on your CRM and continue to push the leads onto your sales team and prioritize which customer to follow. And right now, a good news is actually we can blend the two stuff, the marketing automation and onto CRM. So for example, here you will have automation of the same. You have a condition waiting, and then you have action, and then you will get pass this thing onto your sales team. So you can capture your email, you can capture your website, and then pass them to your sales team. And what our solution we want to share you, this is because we are using this solution ourselves, and today we want to share with you this solution, how powerful it is. And it is one of the most powerful tools in the market, and there are many same app as well, but today I just share you what those modern marketing automation app will do. So you will have a CRM, you can do SMS, you can do a website chat, and you can do email marketing. So this could be like a form, a live chat, or things like that, and then we can match everything into automation. Okay, and then we come to some last section. Then I will share you 3 practical examples of marketing automation with CRM, and also the basic, what is marketing automation. So first, with the tools, what we can do, we can actually segmentize our customer. You know, this is very important. Let's say you have, like my customer, some of them, they might have 20,000, most of them have 20,000, 30,000. Bigger store, they may have like 100,000 customer data. So what should they do with the data? If you didn't group them out, so it's very difficult. You can segmentize them by their interest, by their industry, and what they visit, what they sign up, and then their job function, and so on and so forth. And you can see people who open your email, you can track them, and this is all how you can segment them. Or why we call it segment? Because actually you can cross two interests or two behavior of your customer together, and we can use this one as a segment, as a list to blast the email as well. So this is how does at the database, at the back end of a CRM or a marketing automation tools will looks like, with all the customer lists. And here how we can segment them with a tag meaning that I already tagged them, like this guy, I met him in an event, so I will take them based on the event or the exhibition. So, or if e-commerce, you can take them, or this guy because they fill up my birthday form. And then how long ago, you know, sometimes if there are too large pool of customer list, usually I will help my customer to filter them to a more targeted and more priority to the more efficient customer list. So what we will do, we will do things like the customer which is 2 years old only, we will target with certain stuff for action. We will not target the customer who is 5 years ago. Example, I have a customer selling baby product. If the customer list is collected 5 years ago, they may not buy a baby product like you know, breast pump, things like that, you know. So because it's 5 years old, if you still target them with those information or ads, you're wasting your money. So you can see here. So I can segmentize, and the best thing after segmentize, I can do my automation. I will show you later on how we automate with the segmentation. So here right now, I want to share you how simple automation. You will heard about, wow, marketing technology is like a big jargon of maybe your agency or your friends or your entrepreneur friends, things like that. But in the basic, it's very simple. It's not what technology is actually. We call automation block builder. It's an automation based on drag and drop of two very important terms that you have to understand. One is trigger, one is action. So trigger means, yeah, what did you do what trigger that automation? Then after trigger, what action should you do? So after today's presentation, I will have a link for you to have a free sign up onto that apps. Then later you can see how does it look like. At least you have a feel, it's no commitment. At least you have a feel what are the tools that may help your business. Is as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, regardless you are micro, you are big, or even you are brand, you are a manager, or you are even a boss, you have to know what are the tools available. It's just like, yeah, without COVID, you do not know Zoom. But the people like us who use Zoom 1 year, 2 years ago, we already, making we are making fruits from our investment on the tools already, like things like Zoom, So who actually know more on the tools? Then you can utilize, you can select the right tool. At least you have to test it, try it, and then it will help you. Who got the best tool for yourself, it will help you. So help your business and also not help you to make your team so fatigued and tired. And you must know the trigger and action and the condition. So this is how the automation, I will show you a quick video. How does it work? So this is a live example. Let's say I want to build a after purchase follow-up. So I want to make a trigger that, this is all the trigger that we can have. Customer submit a form, click a link in the email, things like that. And there are a lot more. Which page that you view, which event, you watch on my YouTube, things like that, So I can actually make a trigger, and this is all automate. It's not me segment them. This is the event that trigger certain action to be done next. Either in this case, the purchase, I then send them an email. So here I can do a send email, send SMS, send a notification, and I can have some action some condition like wait, how long. So when I can click wait, then I can now I just added, by doing that, you see, so simple. I just added wait 1 day. Before that is without that condition. And then I can have the email, send the email. And then quickly from here, I can just click. I can go to the email template. Again, you think it's very hard to type a HTML email, but the reality is so simple. I know everyone know MailChimp as a free tools. Some of you using, but for this, this is actually better than just an email marketing tools. We can do a full range of automation. This is just like a tools for you. Everyone can use the same tool, but the logic behind how to run your automation is customized based on 2 items, based on your business, and also based on the guy who runs the business. So you can see, want to build an email is so simple. You can just drag and drop. You can just type. Because I share this for some beginner here, so I share in more detail on how you build an email. So this is, remember just now, what is this email? This is an action. after a trigger, then this email is an action. Yeah, so I will set an email up, and then later on I will send to them. So you can see the concept to build an email template. Okay, come, let's go back to the automation. So you can just simple click, between click, it will come here and then already. You can actually, this is a very powerful tool, and you can just send email, and then you want to end automation. If not, you can actually do another action. So I go again. Maybe I want to send an SMS. You can see I can just type an SMS here and just blast the SMS out. So this is so simple. It's just like you purchase, let's say, a high ticket item of your customer. Let's say you are selling a watch, so you want to thank them. After 2 weeks, you send them SMS, hi, thank you. There's a small personal service, things like that. I just give an example, and it depends on your business the most. What we can do, we can suggest you a tool. We can suggest you what are the possible way to run it. Okay. So, and then the third one, we just finished with the trigger and action. And then how does it look like at the back end? So the third one right now, we want to tell you with CRM, with CRM automation, meaning that we can do an action onto the CRM. We can trigger something in your CRMs as well with the same approach. So we can run inside a CRM. This is what this tool can help. And then there are some tools can have a different look, but sometimes there will be something like this that you can run a series of, we call a pipeline or a funnel. So this is like customer who contacted you, and you want to demo, you want to give a free trial, and then you want to onboard them. This is a funnel. So this is where they just come to know you, and here where you want to engage them, and here where you want to convert them. Example, let's say you are selling a stationery online. So suddenly there is a school calling you, hey, I want to, or message you, I want to do something with you privately to buy in bulk, so that my shop, stationery shop in my school can selling your product. How would like to go about that? So you can actually channel in your website. You can build a B2B inquiry. Once click, they submit the email. Actually, they can trigger. They'll pass some, we call add a deal here. So example, you can manually add, or you can by automation add this onto a deal. So I will just add a deal just now. You see, just quickly, I add a deal already here. So this will be an automation that lead is coming in, or it could be manual. Then I will pass. Actually, here I can add a task, and I can move. I can drag and move. Sorry, I can drag and move to another stage of the sales process. So, and then I can pass to my colleague to do that, and as a manager, you can actually manage that. So this is a task. How does it look like? Then you can see the activity. You can add tasks. Then you can put some notes here, or you can actually email direct from here as well. And this is an action that you can create. I mean, you can trigger a CRM deal. So it just this is actually an example. Let's say my company, I want to get some deal. I would like people send me a message or any inquiry from the website, then we will go into deal CRM. I just got a deal by doing that. So you can write down this website. There is a button, sign up. You just click sign up, or you can click the QR code. I'm not selling the app actually, because this app is our internal tool. I just want to share. If you want to use it, you can just sign up and have a free trial. If you like it, you just continue to subscribe it. If not, at least you know what is called a modern CRM and marketing automation or MarTech tools will do for you. This is a very comprehensive tool, And this is what we use ourselves internally. So today I share you my secret, how I run my business and the incoming inbound inquiry. So this is what we call this product. We name it Sigma, is Customer Experience Marketing Automation. So what we can do is, we integrate all this stuff all together into a software with CRM and marketing automation. Okay, so that's all from me, and Salma will take over, and if you have any question, we can discuss, or you can write me an email, kaheng@eco.asia, or you can join. I didn't put the Facebook group, Shopify Merchant Community Malaysia. You just search Shopify Merchant Group Malaysia, Community Malaysia in Facebook. You can actually look for us.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you very much, Kaheng.
Welcome. So I hope I didn't run longer than your time.
Hey, it's fine, because this is our last class of. Can you open back because I think I will need to. Okay, so guys, if you want to talk to Kaheng directly, if you want to contact him directly, you should screenshot this part, or Kaheng, later you can post on our Facebook comment. Just maybe your picture or your details, so that they can contact you directly.
Thank you.
Okay, don't forget, if you guys have any question, you can also ask in the comment section, so that later towards the end of the session, we will answer. I will select maybe 5 relevant questions that is related to the topic, and then I will answer. Okay, sure. Kaheng, now I'm going to remove you from the screen first.
Thank you.
Okay, so while waiting for our next speaker to ready their presentation and also camera, I would like to remind everyone again. So for those who just joined, you can actually, I need your help to share this on your Facebook page, so that your friends, family can benefit from this. Okay, also also today we have a gift for everyone. Not for everyone, but for our lucky viewers. So we have a special Raya gift, RM 30 ringgit Shopee vouchers, okay, to be won. So what you need to do is, if you look at the screen now, we have a 30 ringgit Shopee voucher for you to win. So I have we have 10 vouchers to give away today. So what you need to do is just share this live streaming session to your friends, or maybe you can host a watch party. And then towards the end of the session, my team will select 10 winners to win the Shopee voucher. Okay, let me check with Mr. Venu. Is he ready? Okay, thank you to Erica, Galvin, Nur Hafiza, Mimi, Ismail, Nur Hazima Mansur, Su Chin, Kong Pak Siong, Joanne Kong, Stephen Ng for sharing. Okay, then yes, good morning to Sherlyn as well. Victor Su, hi Salman, lama tak jumpa. Hi Victor, yes, we are in PKP, so we have to stay at home, stay safe. Thank you to TC Pond as well. Okay, so now I'm going to invite Venu to the screen. And also Venu, okay, Venu, can you okay, so
Salman, can you hear me now?
Yes, Venu, do you have a picture? Your camera is not working.
Oh, is it my cam is off now? How about now?
Yep. Okay. Is your connection okay?
Oh yeah, its connection is fine now. So I just got a power off in my flat. So I just came out of my apartment and staying outside.
Okay, can you try to share your screen now?
connecting to. Is it clear?
Yep. Okay, guys.
Is it audible, Salman?
While Mr. Venu is setting up his slides and also script, so I just want to remind everyone again that today we have a special Hari Raya gift for 10 winners. Okay, so what you need to do is share this live streaming to your Facebook page, or maybe you can watch you can host a watch party. So we have a RM 30 ringgit Shopee voucher for you to win. Then you can spend it. Okay. And also, if you have any comment or if you have any question related to this topic today, so you can actually ask from the comment section. Okay, Wafi Udin Suhairi, like and share. Thank you Wafi Udin. And wah, macam studio berita. Kita biasalah. Okay. Then thank you. Hi Fong Leong. Hi Galvin. Yes, Galvin. Okay. Okay, Erica Lim is asking, sorry, what is the name of that CRM platform? I'm sorry, I missed it. Okay, I invite Kahing again. Kahing, there's a question. Sorry, what is the name of the CRM platform?
Yeah, you can go to the website Sigma cxma.io, or I show the slide again. Okay, I share the, wait, I share the slide.
cxma.io.
Yeah, can you see you want to share the screen? cxma.io.
Yeah, okay, that one. So Erika, there's your answer.
Yeah, I will post in the comment after the session.
Maybe post it in the comment, Kahing. So it's cxma.io. You can check it out. Okay. Yep. Okay, so I think Mr. Venu also is ready now. So let's invite him to the stream. Bye bye, Kahing. Okay, Venu, you can start now. So make sure your mic is open.
Okay, Salman. So, are you able to see my screen now?
Yep. So we all can see your screen. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
I'm gonna pass over the screen to you.
Great. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. So thank you so much for everyone for joining this session, and I'm pretty much glad to be part of this session for sharing our customer relationship management tool. And let me give a quick introduction about Freshworks. So Freshworks is a refreshing business software, and we want our products to love by all our customers, and our mission is to bring a customer of life. And this is how we build a wow factor to all our customers, those who are using our different products for different business mode. And if you want to see a high level overview of company, so we are fully backed by a funding company like Capital G, Axel, Secure, and Tiger. And we started the organization on 2010, and then we grown up as soon as possible, and we have expanded our offices in globally around like 11 offices. And we start with one product called Fresh Desk, and later on within 9 years we came up with the 12 products in the market, and these all our products are integrated to one another. And this is a simple UI and user experience software, so whoever use the products, so they will use to love our products, and it makes easier of their respective agents life. And just want to give a customer base. So these are the high level customer base we are working with. And They used to be with our Freshworks for quite long some time. And also with respect to awards and accolades, we are a best ease of use, Gator Magic Quadrant, top 50 in products for sales, and Get App category leader on 2019. So we are the we got an awards and accolades for few of our industries. And let's talk about the sales process. If you see in 10 years back or 15 years back, so there is a tradition of doing a sales activity. So the tradition of sales activity is going as an in-person in a customer's location, fixing up an appointment and talking to them on showing the product catalogs and everything. So most of them happens in a in-person meeting way. But today's world, it has totally changed. You can everything is digitalized, so the users can sit from anywhere. They can talk to the person and they can have the information shared to the prospects equally. And we have a very digitalized mode for doing the sales activities. And today's sales world, so this is the actual customer journey from anywhere. So they have to use multiple tools to access multiple information in order to use a chat application or a mobile app or maybe in a social media omni channels to understand who are our customers. So they are end up in using multiple channels, multiple tools at multiple times. So if you see the hierarchy or the mode of approach is fully is exact. We cannot understand the customer is coming from omni channel or through website or from your chat solution. In order to streamline this in a perfect manner to understand where is the actual lead source get generated, either through website or web. And once it is done, you can put it on your customer relationship management and you can do your sales activities in a perfect way. And in order to avoid this juggling of multiple tools, we come up with a solution called Fresh Sales. And also there are n number of challenges is faced by each and every sales agent in the organization. Let's see what are the challenges are. So each and every organization want to sell their products or service as soon as possible, and they wanted to manage all this customers data in a very simple and user experience too. And if I log in, I have to see all my appointments or what are the tasks is designed for today. I have to see it in a very simplest way. So this helps the sales agent to use the tool on day-to-day basis and also gives a very user-friendly software to the agents. And also they wanted to know a 360-degree view. So I don't want to use multiple tools or multiple devices to capture multiple information about the prospect. Instead, about the prospect, if I have everything in one under screen, it's a given suite of product to sales agent to know what was the email communication, what was the SMS communication, so what the customer activities with respect to your website, all informations you would able to see it under one screen. And also using of multiple CRM tool in the market increases the cost of the implementation and setup cost. So and also there might be a data mismanagement by creating a duplicate leads in your CRM. At the end, two of your sales experts might reach the same customer again and again. So finally, the customer would get annoyed. And also, the sales closure would be huge time for taking from stage one to winning stage. It will take some time to close it. So, in order to reduce all these challenges, we come up with a solution called Sales 360. So Sales 360 will help your sales agent to access all relevant tools from one system. You will get a 360-degree view of your customer at one single screen. And if you want to qualify the lead easily, system will take care with its certain parameters. And Freshsales can be integrated with multiple product of Freshworks like Fresh Marketer, and other one is Fresh Chat. So this chat can be integrated with your website. So whoever came to your website looking for different products and service, immediately you can automate the chat solution. You don't want any support person to behind the Fresh Chat. You can automate your 24/7 service with respect to chatbot. So chatbot will proactively send messages about the what are the products you offer and everything. And by the way, customer can just click on the inputs, which product I'm looking in, what service I'm looking in. I can choose a solution, and all these informations will be captured to the customer relationship management tool called Freshales. And in order to use engage with the customer, we have provide multiple channels as part of Freshales. You can have your email, you can synchronize your Gmail or Office 365 or Outlook within Freshales. So you don't want to use your Gmail or dedicated Gmail engine to write email to the prospects. You can always write all emails from the same system called Freshales. And also, in order to reach the customer through phone, we have another product called Fresh Caller. So that can be integrated with Freshales CRM. If you want to reach a customer, you can just click on the phone number, and you can talk to them about your customer's requirements and everything. And all these conversations will be recorded under Freshales CRM. And for future reference, if you want to refer it or if you want to listen the conversations, you can listen the conversation within Freshales itself. And also, there might be a big deals like it might be an 1 million deal, or it's like a big deal for your organization. And in order to achieve this deal, you might have an internal collaboration within your team members or within your managers. So you can easily interconnect fresh connect with Freshales CRM. So that will help you to have a better collaboration within your team to take multiple action items for winning the deal. So by the way, you can easily integrate Fresh Connect with Freshales. And consider the sales process will not stop once you won the deal. Because as a sales agent, I'm a primary contact for my customer. And I should always be with him for throughout the journey. So in order to understand whether he is happy with using the product, he is satisfied, he feels that product is very user friendly. So we can integrate Freshdesk as part of Freshales CRM. So this will monitor your entire ticketing aspects, concerns, the questions raised by the prospect, or any tickets or cases created by the customer after using their product. So all these tickets will get mapped under the respective lead in Freshales CRM. And as a sales agent, I can always have an eye on customer. What are his questions? What are his concerns of using the product? Do we have any do he or she have any questions related to product, or all these informations will be tracked along with Freshales CRM. So even though sales agent can go through the tickets in Freshales CRM, he can talk to the customer if there is a need. So by the way, we give a 360 solution for Freshales CRM. So we can use it as productively for improving the sales activities, and also you can automate all your sales agents day-to-day activities with the help of Freshales CRM. And now let me set a journey how you can use these products as part of a day-to-day basis. So the fresh marketing will help you to capture the leads and qualify the leads. And also you can use the chat applications put on your website. This will help you to engage with your website visitors in a real-time basis. You can capture and you can enough information about first name, email ID, or other informations about what he or she is looking into it. And you can pass all these informations to Freshales CRM, and you can do certain sales activities to nurture your valuable relationship with them. And also you can do a high level sales campaign as part of Freshales. And in order to engage with them, you can use Gmail or you can use Freshcaller to reach them over phone from CRM itself. So this will avoid salesperson to juggling from one tool to other tool to access multiple information. Instead, he used to have all information under one screen. In order to call or in order to reach customer through email, they can do it easily. And once they have called, we have an artificial intelligence called Freddy. So Freddy will help you to what are the suggested AI score for each and every lead. So this will help you to prioritize your lead
out of 50 leads you have. For example, I have 50 leads is assigned to me, and out of 50, I wanted to know what are the high priority leads. So with the help of Freddy, you would able to understand what are your high priority leads in your bucket. And as a sales agent, I can focus on the hot leads. I can take it to the closure as soon as possible. So once you won the deal, you can easily integrate with Freshdesk. Freshdesk will help you to understand the customer's behavior, whether they are happy, how we are using their product, do they have any questions. All things you can monitor everything from one system called Freshsales. Okay. And let me give a quick nutshell introduction about Freshsales CRM. Freshsales, it's a cloud-based CRM software. It offers everything to the team members, and it also avoid juggling from one screen to other screen to do multiple activities. Instead, the sales agent can do all these activities as part of one screen in order to reach a customer over phone or email, or and also you can synchronize your email to the prospects. And the best part of using or writing an email from Freshsales, you would able to track the email communication, whether the email is opened or delivered or bounced for the email which you have sent. And the lead scoring is there that will help you to prioritize your leads automatically, and agents can focus on priority leads and they can take it to the closure. And all this activity like sending an email or uh, changing an stage from one stage to other stage, all things you would able to do it with the help of workflow automation. You can define your rules and condition as part of system. So based on the rules and condition, system will take care of the automation part on day-to-day activities. And that might be a frequent question from every prospect or every customer: why Freshsales CRM? So why we need to use Freshsales CRM instead of there are n number of products in the market? So these are the high level few things I wanted to share with you all. So there are CRMs in the market, I agree, but if you see the user experience and user interface for the sales agent, it's quite complex. So they end up with using multiple tools to access multiple information. And also there should be a dedicated trainer or expert to be with them for training the tool to use them on day-to-day basis. And also if you see the implementation setup, it's going to be a quite huge task for each and every organization. It takes more than a month or maybe 3-4 months to set up the product based on the customer's requirement. But if you look at from the Freshsales perspective, we offer a very user friendly software and very good user experience for each and every sales folks. So once you log into the system, you can use the software easily. It's all straightforward, and you can you can easily understand what are the modules are. And the implementation setup is quite easy of doing the configuration part. We wanted to avoid of using manual activities or wanted to reduce the configuration part as part of system. We wanted to automate as much as possible for the sales organization. So with respect to implementation, you can start using your product from the day one itself. We have the default setup, everything is ready. So you can slightly change the pipelines and other configuration part based on your business mode, and you can kickstart your sales activity as soon as possible with the help of Freshsales CRM. And the other best part we offer in Freshsales is you have the marketplace. Marketplace is nothing but you have a bunch of third-party application already available in Freshsales CRM. So if you want to use PandaDoc or a QuickBooks accounting tool or any other third-party application, you can directly install from the marketplace and you can access those third-party information, your business information within Freshsales itself. So so that is the best seamless integration we offer with third-party applications. Okay. And also we have around like 34 languages as part of the system. So users can set their own language in the tool, and the users can use the tool on day-to-day basis. So moreover, if we have the tool in our native language, we might be happy to use it on day-to-day basis. we feel comfortable to use the tool. So that is what we offer the users to set their own preferred language, and they can use the tool accordingly. So I will move to the next slide. So we see all this activity can be done as part of web application. Similarly, you can also use your mobile application, either it is an Android or iOS. No worries. You can use your mobile application to do all the sales activities from wherever you are. So not necessarily you need to take a desktop or a laptop to do it. If you have your mobile, just install Fresh Sales, and if you want to write an email, if you want to track how many leads are assigned to you, and also how deals are progressing in your login, all these informations you will get a 360 review of the prospect under mobile app itself. And also you can manage how many appointments you have today, how many tasks are created or today. All these metrics also you would able to measure as part of mobile application. You can do the similar activity both in web application as well as in mobile application. Okay. And I talked about the integration part with third party application. So these are the few of the example. You can easily integrate with your third party applications like Trello, Asana, QuickBooks, Zero, Zapier. So this will help you to bring all your other related informations which you want to refer as part of your sales activity. You can refer it in the same screen itself. And if you look at it from the fresh sales perspective, we have around 100 plus application as part of fresh sales in marketplace. But if you look at from the freshworks product, we have around 1000 plus application that can be integrated with your core freshworks product. Okay. And also we are a multi-product company. You can also integrate fresh marketer as part of fresh sales CRM. So you are both the marketing team and sales team can be in one page in order to avoid conflicts, data mismanagement. So these are the few gaps you can address between using the fresh sales tool. So you can optimize your websites as much as possible. You can do a real-time integration with fresh sales CRM, and you can pass on leads to fresh sales CRM. So sales agent can immediately pick the lead and they can take it to the sales process as soon as possible. And also you can qualify the leads, and you can understand the website behavior of the customer, whether they have visited your product page, pricing page. All real-time metrics of website activities will be captured in the system, either both in fresh marketer and fresh sales. So this will help the bridge the gap between the marketing team as well as the sales team in the organization. And also WhatsApp gives you more business. And also there are we seen major of business is generated through WhatsApp communication, and the customer also feel comfortable of using WhatsApp to communicate with sales agents and everything. So we come up with a solution called Fresh Chat. So the Fresh Chat can easily integrate it with your WhatsApp number. So if you have a dedicated business WhatsApp number, if you have it in your website or any social media network, if I'm a customer, I'm using your business WhatsApp number to communicate with your sales experts, I can directly take this chat from my sales CRM itself. I don't want to use different tools to take this chat. I can easily chat it. I can take a chat of from the Fresh Sales CRM. I will quick show you a quick video how you can easily integrate it with your WhatsApp and how you will get a quick response from the sales team. So let me show a quick example here. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. Let me refresh the page again. cool. So I have a few issue with that internet. So let me continue this, and we can see this clip during the end of the session. And now we will get into that product, and I will walk you through what are the features as part of Fresh Sales and everything. And let me jump into the product again. Okay. So hope you're everyone can see my screen now. So there are multiple ways to create or generate leads as part of the system. So either through website, if you have a sign up form like first name, last name, and email ID, you can take this as immediately push this lead as into Freshsales CRM automatically. And also you might have a sales inquiry email as a common email ID for the sales team. So whoever write an email to that particular email ID, that can also be created as a lead into Freshsales CRM automatically. And also through integration of Fresh Chat will help you to push this customer data to Freshsales CRM automatically too. And there are multiple ways to generate leads, and you can push it everything to the sales CRM automatically without any manual intervention. And also you have the provision to add leads one by one. And if you have your mobile application, you can use your mobile application to add your leads quickly. And also if you visiting the conference or events, you have a database in the Excel sheet format, you can easily import the leads using Excel or CSV file format. It's pretty much take 30 seconds. You can import all your leads easily. You can update your file, and you have to map the fields against Freshsales field. Then you can click on import. So immediately within 20 to 30 seconds, all the leads will get created in Freshsales CRM immediately. And consider I have around like 50 or 500 leads in my bucket. It's assigned to my name. So as a sales agent, I cannot invest all my times in all these leads. Instead of, if there is any parameters would help me to qualify the leads, that will help me to understand what are my high priority leads are. So let's see what are the parameters we offer to qualify the leads. So one is like we have a auto profile enrichment. So whenever you have an email ID updated in the screen, immediately system will capture the social media information about the prospect, whether the email ID is used for creating a LinkedIn account, Twitter, or Facebook. That informations will get updated automatically. And also you can have all your email communication as part of Freshsales CRM itself. You can write and you can schedule email from Freshsales, and you can easily synchronize your Gmail or Office 365 or Outlook with Freshsales CRM. And also we offer a standard templates. You can create own templates, email templates as part of Freshsales CRM, and you can use the right template for the email communication. And the best part here is you would able to schedule this email as part of the system. You can track the email communications, and whether the email is received to the prospect, or it is delivered to the prospect, or it is opened or clicked by the prospect. All these informations you would able to capture under the recent conversation. And even though as you can integrate with fresh caller, so whenever you have a contact number of prospect, you can just click on the number, and you can immediately can have a conversation with your prospect. So you will have a dialing pad here, and you can call the customer and can have a conversation, and all these conversations will be get recorded under the recent conversation. And similarly, as I said earlier, if there is a website visitors, it's a chat business closure thing. Immediately you can assign this chat to the sales agent, and sales agent can directly pick the chat from the Freshsales CRM itself. So they don't want to use a different tool to take this chat communication in a real-time basis. And also you would able to see is that prospect is in online or offline. You would able to see it from here itself. And even it's a WhatsApp communication. So let's say you have a WhatsApp number, and one of your customer is trying to chat with you through your WhatsApp business number, and you can directly route that number to the fresh sales agent. So the sales agent can pick a chat from here, and they can have a real-time communication about what his expectations and all this information. And also, if you want to send any file or documents, images to the prospects for his reference, you would able to send it by here itself. By the way, you can efficiently communicate with your prospect through email or through phone call, through chat, everything from one sales CRM. And also, this reason activity is a very interesting part for each and every sales agent, because once I have signed up your form in the website, after 2 days or after 3 days, I'm coming back to your website and looking on the product list or the service list you offer. All these informations I would able to track it under the reason activities. So as a sales agent, I can easily understand which product he familiar looking into it, whether it is fresh marketer or fresh sales or any other products. I would able to track this metrics here. So as a sales agent, I can go back to him via email or phone call with enough information about the product he looking in. Okay. And this will help you to generate a lead score. So it's an artificial intelligence based lead score. So the lead score will be assigned to each and every lead is assigned to you, and based on that you can easily categorize your leads as hot, warm, and cold. Okay. And also you can capture all your note description as part of the system. You can create your own task for the prospect. You can create your appointments, and also you can manage all your files and documents as part of the system. And the major challenge is faced by each and every sales agent in the organization is about duplicate creations in the CRM. So these duplicate creations can be easily identified in the initial stage of qualifying the lead. So at the moment itself, if I understand these both the leads are unique lead, I can merge it as a one account and I can take it forward. Or if it is a different lead, you can keep as a separate thread and you can take it forward as well. And once you have the lead information, if you want to see how your deals are getting progress, you can see how all your deals are getting progress in one single view. And this not only the view, this will also help you with understanding what are my active deals as well as inactive deals with the help of indicators, right? Red, green, and yellow. So these indicators denotes if you task is created but you have not completed it on time. So you will have a push notification in your mobile app, as well as you will get an email notification as part of triggered from the system too. And the yellow denotes you have not created any task or appointment, you are not communicating with your prospects to take this deal to the closure. Okay. And the best part here in the deal view is if you want to move from one deal to other deal, it's very simple. It's like an drag and drop option by moving from one stage to other stage. So that is the UI and user experience we wanted to offer for every sales agent. It's very a simple and easy use software. Okay. And if I wanted to mark this deal as one, I can just drag and I can put it on one bucket or lost bucket. So if I want on one, immediately the system will prompt you a message to update the reason. So what reason you should, what is the reason behind winning this deal, or what is the reason behind of we lost the deal. So all informations you would able to update it here as part of winning the status, and you can save it. Okay. and and also we have a workflow automation, so that will help you to automate all your sales activities. Let's take an example. The new lead is created through your website, and this is automatically created into freshell CRM too. So once after creation, I don't want the salesperson to send initial email, because the lead might be created in the late night in 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. But in order to send an initial response, the automated response to the prospect immediately, we can create this workflow, and this workflow will help you to automate the initial email response to the prospect then and there when the leaders get created. So by the way, you can automate efficiently for lead creation, or for the sales activities like task, appointment creation, or also if you want to send any SMS or any email trigger to the prospects, you can use this workflow for the sales activities efficiently. And all these informations you can pull it as a report. So by default, Freshfields will offer you certain standard reports which can be used by each and every sales agent. And also, you can create multiple dashboards for your sales verticals. So, for example, one dashboard you can dedicatedly use for lead generation, how the leads are get generated, how the leads are getting progress, how it is assigned to different agents. All informations you can see it under one dashboard. So, when you have a meeting with your CFO or CEO or business head or chief marketing officer, you can show this dashboard how the leads are aligned and how the leads are get generated. And similarly, you can have another dashboard for discussing about your sales progress. So how your sales are getting progressed, how many deals you close this month, and how many deals are in the pipeline for the next upcoming month. All this you can put it as one dashboard, and this will help you to track the real-time metrics from the system, and you can present it during the meeting with your sales leader or business head manager or CFO, chief revenue officer. You can show this dashboard quickly. And whenever you have a task or any appointments created, all this day-to-day action items, I can see it under my dashboard. So this will be the screen whenever I logged into Freshfield CRM. I can see how many activities I have to do it as part of today. I will see a summary today. So as of now, I have 6 appointments today. And similarly, you can see how many tasks it's there, how many follow-up calls you have. All these metrics you will able to see it, and also you can see how you are occupied on next 7 days and next 30 days. You are able to easily filter, and you can see how your schedule looks like. And other part I want to talk about here is the marketplace. So this is what I mean about the marketplace, third party application integration. We have enough application as part of Freshfields. It's almost like 100 plus application as part of apps. So you can, okay, so you can easily install this application and you can use the tool accordingly. And this will help the sales agent to access multiple information from one tool itself. Okay. So this is the high level information I would like to share. And if you have any questions or any questions with respect to customer relationship management tool, you can shoot your questions in the chat box, or else you can note my email ID and my team members email ID too here, or else you can use the QR code to register it. So we will get back to you with enough informations and solutions what you are looking in, and we will help you to create a wow factor in your organization. And definitely fresh sales will help you to boost your sales activity for each and every sales experts.
Okay. So, Venue, is that all?
Yes, Salman, I'm done.
Okay,
So
all
let's
right.
hear a
So,
few feedback from.
okay, so thank you, Venue, for sharing with us what is CRM, and mostly is what Freshworks can actually help you to run your business. But to be honest, for me, CRM, okay,
Yes.
whatever tools that you're doing, you're using, or it's still like how do you connect with your customers? Like, are you using some business using WhatsApp, some business using SMS, some business they have a loyalty members card, but now how do you connect with them? So this is some of the tools that are available on the market. Okay, Freshwork, you have cxma.io. Okay, before we end the session, I will invite Kahing again to the screen, just to if you have any question to answer. Okay, Kahing also not available. Okay, wait, let me WhatsApp him.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, yes, all right. So looking at the comment now, we don't have. I don't see any question from the viewers. Maybe is there anything else you want to share, like like some tips from your side? Okay.
So for me, CRM is actually a good tool if you would like to combine all your others tools together, like what Freshwork have shared also. You see, you cannot just based on CRM itself as a tool. You should have multiple item connect together, so your automation will be more complete.
Okay, this is for those on running a business, for example, like online business, right? But what about those who are running physical store business? Do they still need to use like CRM tools?
Yeah, you will need, especially if you are more on like B2B, you have a small sales team, So what they can help you is actually for you to monitor the leads and qualify the leads. Then thirdly is it can help you to manage your sales team. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I think it's 12:30 now. So I just want to thanks to Kahing and also Mr. Venue for sharing their knowledge with us today. I hope it will somehow benefit our viewers today, and maybe you can use. So if you have any, if you want to contact them, so can you flash again your screen so that they can screenshot or they can take a photo, so for them to contact you in the future.
Sure, sure. I will share in the comment. I will share in the comment in the live comment.
Yeah. So so this one is for Kahing. You can contact him. He's the CEO of Miko.Asia. Okay, and I also want to show Mr. Venue contact. Okay, yep. So this is for Freshwork. If you're interested to know more about Freshwork, I also posted it in our Facebook comment. So if you're interested to know more, to explore more, you can directly. So they have a Kuna or Shukri or Aina will contact you directly. Okay. So thank you, Kahim, and also Mr. Venue for sorry for for actually spending their time with us this morning. We are on a holiday mood now because next week is a public holiday for everyone. Okay, so yeah. So I will continue our session. I just need to show them something, so I'm going to remove both of you from the screen. Thank you again, Venue and Kahing. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye, Salman. Thank you, Salman.
Okay, guys. Thank you for staying with me throughout the live session. So I'm sure everyone is excited to know who will be the winners for the RM30 Ringgit Shopee voucher. But before that, I'm going to show you something. For our upcoming class, we have this. I'm going to share screen. Okay, so we have an upcoming event on 9th of June 2020. We have Google Analytics and online traffic. Okay, this topic is good. If you want to learn about Google Analytics and so online traffic, this is a basic class, by the way. So this is a basic class. You can learn about online traffic. For example, if you are selling something. So currently, what is people are searching for? So this is one of the topic. Okay, and then next we have on 16 June 2020, we will have a social media marketing topic. So basically, starting from June, all our topics are all related to marketing. Yeah. So we have a social media marketing. So this is every week Tuesday. Make sure you just you watch this and then you share with your members. So then we have a 23rd June. We have affiliate marketing. This is in BM. So this class will be in BM. And then the next one we have 30 June, we have it email marketing topic. So make sure you okay. So I'm gonna answer some comment here. So where can I access to previous class? You can go to our YouTube page, SITEC.com, youtube.com/SITECMY. So you can watch our previous classes in our YouTube channel. And also, any hints who will be the speaker instructor for the analytics class? Okay, for this analytics topic, I invited one of a Google also a speaker. She is a trainer for Google Malaysia. So yep, that's the hint. Can't tell you the name. So maybe after Raya, I will upload the banner. Okay, and then I think the next one. Okay, so this is our schedule. You can download this schedule in our SITEC website. So this is all the upcoming program. And then yes, now we have a RM30 Shopee voucher winners. We have Nur Hazima Mansur, Kevin Ong, Stephen Ng Siu, Nur Hafiza, Steve Kong, KH Kong, Wendy OU, Patrick WKW, Joanne Kong, Kong Pak Siong. Okay, so if your name is on the screen now, please PM us so that we know that, so we can give you the voucher. We can give you the how to use the voucher, the link and everything. Okay, so make sure you PM us. Okay, if you are Nur Hazima, Kevin Ong, Stephen Ng, Nur Hafiza, Steve Kong, KH Kong, Wendy OU, Patrick, Joanne Kong, Kong Pak Siong. Okay, please PM us. Okay. Yep, I think I have one more things to share with everyone here. Okay, so we are also in SITEC, we are also having another actually program. So we have a startup program, we have e-commerce. So today is the e-commerce program. So we have also startup program. So if you are running a startup, sorry, if you are running a startup, you can try to join our program. So this is like a boot camp. Last year, we did bring our winners, top 10 winners in startup to Indonesia to visit Gojek, to visit all the unicorn startups in Indonesia. So if you're running a startup, you have a business, you think you want to grow faster, you should join our startup program, Selangor Accelerator program. Okay, so the registration start from 1st May until 31st May. So which is, I think, another few more days, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, and then this Thursday, I think it's Thursday. Yes, Thursday we also have a startups funding journey. So you can learn how to get money, how to get funds for your startup. Okay, so make sure you like our SITEC Facebook page. You like SITEC Facebook page so that you can actually follow our program that will benefit you. And most of the time, our program is 99% free program. Okay, so for more information, please visit SITEC, www.sitec.com.my. And also, I will need help from everyone to fill up a survey form. So I'll post it later on the comment section. Please help me to fill up the survey form, just for us to improve our session in the future. Or if you want to learn anything that you think is good, so you can also state in you can also share in the survey form. Then we will have a look at it. Okay. So with that, I wish everyone selamat puasa and also selamat Hari Raya. So I am also very excited for Hari Raya coming up soon. And please stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks for watching today. And I'll see you again after Hari Raya. Bye-bye.